I have the top 5 beauty products from beauty boxes in 2017. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. If you're not a subscriber, take just a moment to subscribe to add a little chaos to your day. Today, I want to share with you my top 5 favorite products I got in beauty boxes this year. I get 4 beauty boxes altogether. Kind of. I subscribe to Ipsy, I subscribe to Sephora, I subscribe to Walmart. And then occasionally I get the Target beauty box if they have something I like. And kind of do the same for Amazon. My top favorite product that I got in a beauty box this year is the Becca Priming Filter. The reason I love this is it really gives a beautiful glow to the skin, and it's a really nice primer. It's kind of moisturizing too. I never feel like my skin is dry when I'm wearing it. Oddly enough, I forgot to put it on today. I had gotten a primer sample from Sephora, and just in a hurry I tried that, didn't like it. However, this is going to be added to my arsenal. I tried a tiny sample from Sephora and loved it, and I was about to buy it when I got this in one of my sample boxes. So this is gonna last me a good long while, and I will always have this on hand. It just looks beautiful on the skin. You can wear it by itself, but then if you put some foundation over it, it just really gives a nice luminosity to your skin. And my old poor skin needs some luminosity. Speaking of luminosity, this is Laura Geller Gilded Honey, and it is so pretty. I don't usually love the gold highlighters. I prefer silver because of my beautiful alabaster skin. But this is actually really pretty on me. I'm wearing it now. I am wearing this at least. And you can see that it's got a nice shine. I've got some here on my Cupid's bow. I love it on my Cupid's bow. Probably one of my favorite ones on my Cupid's bow. It's just a really nice, beautiful formulation. It's very, I don't want to say chalky, but it is kind of chalky. Let me put some here for you. Yeah, I have some henna that's going away, and I'll link that for you right here. This is fades slowly, so there's still a little bit left, but I'm seeing my daughter in a few days, and I'm going to get some more. And there you go. It's very pretty. This is a kind of a universal shade that I think will be flattering on most people. Next is the opposite of highlighter. What do you think the opposite of highlighter is? Bronzer. That's the way I think about things. This is Amazonian Clay Bronzer Park Avenue Princess. And it comes in this, first of all, let's talk about this. Is this not the cutest? It's a little faux, what is that? Crocodile. And inside this is just a beautiful, beautiful bronzer. I'm very pale skinned. I may have mentioned that. And it's hard to find a bronzer that's not too dark for me. And this is just the perfect color. I mean, it's very, very, let me get a little bit more for you. I want you to be able to see it. It too is a little bit gold here, but it's not so dark that I'm looking crazy because a lot of bronzers are so dark that I just look crazy, but this is just the perfect amount. I've got it here. I've got a little bit on my cheeks because when the sun hits me, they hit my little chubby cheeks, and I got a little bit on my chin. It's very subtle. It is not screaming bronzer. It's very subtle, just a little bit of a sun-kissed mwah. The last 2 are lipsticks, oddly enough. I had this on a few minutes ago. I forgot. I forgot that I was going to shoot this video, and I applied a different color. This is underneath the color that I have on. They're kind of mixed together. But this is a beautiful kind of pinky mauve. It is very, very nice. It is creamy. And I was going to show you, but I forgot. I had actually eaten ice cream, and it stayed on through the ice cream. It still looked almost as good as when I started. It was a little bit was off, you know, here, right there in the middle, but the outside still looked perfect, which is pretty crazy for having eaten ice cream. And my last favorite is this ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade London Fog. This stuff. First of all, let me say that I don't wear red because, as we mentioned, a porcelain skin. I just steer away from red. I can't figure out what colored base of lipstick I need that would look good on me. But I got this from a thing. The name of the video is a beauty box. I got this from a beauty box. You see it? It's more pinky red. And tried it on for a video. Tried it on, then shot a video. And almost without fail, everyone said, "You look amazing, Michelle." That may be a slight exaggeration, but they did love my lipstick and they said I look good in it, and my husband liked it, and my kids liked it, and strangers liked it. I'm kidding about the strangers. It's a slightly red but really dark pink, I think is why it looks so good on me, and I absolutely love it. It looks more red in the bottle than it does on me. Anyways, those are my, look at this, when you try to wash it off, it stays on really good. That's nice. It does not, it really stays put. So you can go eat in this and it will stay put. Even me rubbing it and rubbing it and rubbing it, it's still there. So that ColourPop, and that was my very first try of anything ColourPop. I mean, I think my daughter may have done my makeup once with ColourPop, but as far as me having a ColourPop item, it was my first. And I am in love with ColourPop now. I've got to go buy some ColourPop things. Now I'm going to tag Karen Renee Beauty and Georgia Sunshine to tell us what your 5 favorite beauty products from a beauty box was. And I'm going to link both their channels in the description bar below. Go check those ladies out. Those are 2 of my favorite YouTubers. I think they're both great, and I think they'll both do this tag. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber. If you'll click that button just above me, that will subscribe you to my channel. I do makeup, skincare, hair, nails, I do it all. It's chaos here all the time. You never know what you're gonna get. And in the meantime, here's a video for you to watch. Think you'll enjoy that one. Be blessed.